Namaste. Khushro Bhatia. I, Jibin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Overview of Regulatory Authorities in India. Overview of Regulatory Authorities in India. This topic belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester students. So this is the topic is very important for the drug regulatory authorities. Now we come to this topic. The drug regulatory authorities is the agency that develop and implement most of legislation and regulation on pharmaceuticals. Its main task is to ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of drugs and the accuracy of product information. This is done by making certain rules that the manufacture, procurement, import, export, distribution, supply, and sale of drugs. Product promotion and advertisement and clinical trial are carried out according to specified standard. Function of regulatory authorities: product registration, drug evaluation and authorization, and monitoring of drug efficacy and safety. Regulation of drug manufacturing, importation and distribution. Regulation and control of drug promotion and information, adverse drug reaction monitoring, licensing of premises, person and practices. Main goals of drug regulation is guarantee to the safety, efficacy, and quality of drug available to public. It is governed by the both central and state government under the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Main bodies: Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission, and National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authorities. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is an Indian government ministry charged with health policy in India. It is also responsible for all government programs relating to family planning in India. The ministry is composed of 4 departments: Health and Family Welfare, Health Research, AIDS Control, and Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy. Current cabinet minister is Sri Jagat Prakash Nada, Central Drug Standard Control Organization and National Regulatory Body for Indian Pharmaceutical and Medical Devices. With Central Drug Standard Control Organization and Drug Controller General of India regulates pharmaceutical and medical devices under gamut of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Central Drug Standard geographical location in India. CDSCO headquarters in Ghaziabad, zones North Zone Ghaziabad and West Zone Mumbai, South Zone Chennai and East Zone Calcutta, next zone Ahmedabad and zone Hyderabad. Subzones divided into different categories in India: subzone Bangalore and subzone Chandigarh, subzone Jammu and Goa. Port offices, airport, laboratories 13 and laboratories 17. Proposed CDSCO geographical location is present here. So the organization chart, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, is divided into different parts. First one is headquarters, zonal offices, sub-zonal offices, port, airport areas, and laboratories. The CDSCO vision to protect and promote public health. CDSCO mission to safeguard and enhance the public health by ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of drug, cosmetic, and medical devices. Now we come to the function: regulate, control over import, manufacturing, sale, and distribution of drug, and approval of central drug and clinical trial. Meeting of DCC and DTAB, approval for licenses as central license approving authority, coordination of activities of state Drug Control Organization. So, Central Drug Laboratory, Calcutta, CDL, Statutory Laboratory of Government of India over Control of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Oldest quality control lab. This is a very oldest quality control lab, Central Drug Laboratory, Calcutta. And statutory functions, analytical quality control of majority of imported drugs available in Indian market. Quality control of drugs and cosmetics manufactured in India, acting as appellate authority in matters relating to quality of drugs. Other functions, collection, storage, distribution of internal standards, internal references, preparation of drug and pharmaceutical substances, training to drug analysts, training to WHO fellows from abroad on modern method of drug analysis. Other laboratories, CDTL Mumbai and CDTL Tamil Nadu and CDTL Hyderabad, RDTL Guwahati, RDTL Chandigarh, and CDL Kasoli. Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, IPC, Autonomous Institute under MHFW, Government of India, dedicated to setting of standard of drugs, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare devices, beside providing reference, standard, and training. To develop comprehensive monograph for drug included in IP, including API, excipients, and dosage forms. To according priority to monograph of drugs in the National Essential Drug List and their doses form, to accelerate process of preparation, certification, and distribution of IP referred subjects. Drug Controller General of India, under the Central Standard Control Organization is responsible for approval of license of specified categories of drug such as blood and blood products, IV fluids, and vaccine and serum of present. So this is the complete session for this topic. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students. And